Does your indoor cat want out, but you worry about cars, predators, and vet bills? Does your outdoor cat leave injured birds and wildlife on your doorstep? If you're a cat parent seeking a solution to the indoor-outdoor dilemma, a catio, an enclosure, or cat patio can protect your cat, give you peace of mind, and help protect birds and wildlife too. I'm Cynthia Chomos, catio designer, contractor, and founder of Catio Spaces, and I'm passionate about keeping cats safe while enjoying the enrichment of the outdoors. Whether you hire a contractor or you build a catio yourself, here are some helpful tips and how to find the right resources for your project. There are many types of catios, from small and simple ones to larger catios with space for humans too. The options are endless. Cats are sun lovers, so choosing a location with partial sun and stimulating views is ideal. Adding a cat door in a window, wall, or door allows your cat easy access from your home into the catio. Most important is safety. Whether you're DIYing or hiring a contractor, be aware of safety precautions. Call 811 if you need to dig on your property. Avoid blocking a bedroom window or emergency exit unless you build a human door for your catio. Keep household windows and doors closed so your cat doesn't escape during construction. Build an escape-proof catio that can't be breached by predators. Avoid sharp wire ends, loose knot holes, and toxic plants. Skip vinyl-coated wire and artificial grass, which can be a choking hazard. And use a magnet at the end of the project to clear the area of any sharp metal pieces. If you're a do-it-yourselfer with some basic carpentry skills, you could build a catio in a weekend. Here at Catio Spaces, we offer a variety of DIY plans with step-by-step instructions and diagrams, including the haven, the sanctuary, and the window box designs. All you need is a few essential tools to get started, including a circular or chop saw, an impact driver, wire cutter, and heavy-duty stapler. If you prefer to have a DIY plan built for you or a custom catio, head to Yelp to find a local contractor. When researching contractors, look for one who is licensed and bonded, has experience building outdoor structures, has positive reviews, and can provide client referrals and project photos. If the contractor is an animal lover, it's a bonus. If you're interested in building a catio yourself, visit catiospaces.com and save 10% on our DIY plans using promo code YELP10. Plus, we'll donate 10% to support animal welfare organizations. I hope you're inspired to build a catio for a cat and wildlife friendly home. Paws up and happy catio building.